The appeal to tradition fallacy argues that something should continue because it's the way that things have been done before. I like to refer to this one as the "if it ain't broke, don't fix it" fallacy, because it's essentially arguing that we've always done this thing in this way before and it's always worked, so why would we change that now? And this was a type of argument that was also made in regards to marriage equality issues. Back in the 1960s, when the question of interracial marriage was being decided by the Supreme Court, people who were against interracial marriage argued that they were just protecting the sanctity of marriage, that marriage had always been between a man and a woman of the same race, and that because it was always that way, that's the way it should continue to be. And more recently, in the 2000s, when the question of gay marriage was before the court, they argued the same thing, that we're just protecting the sanctity of marriage, that marriage has always been between a man and a woman, and that's the way that it always should be. There's no reason for it to change. When in reality, there's maybe lots of reasons that those sorts of things should change. Just because this is the way that it's been done before doesn't mean that that's the way that we should continue to do it.